Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito by soda. First, ensure you have all your ingredients at hand. You will need about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime cut into wedges, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar or 1 ounce of simple syrup. Don't forget 2 ounces of white rum and 4 to 6 ounces of your preferred club soda. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito. Take your sturdy glass and add the 8 to 10 mint leaves along with 2 lime wedges. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Using a muddler, gently press and twist these ingredients together for about 10 to 15 seconds. Remember, you want to release the fragrant oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, not pulverize them. With your muddled base ready, it's time to build your refreshing drink. Fill the glass generously with crushed ice or ice cubes, ensuring it's packed well. Next, carefully pour in 2 ounces of your favorite white rum over the muddled mint and lime. Finally, top off your glass with 4 to 6 ounces of crisp club soda. Give it a gentle stir to blend the flavors without flattening the bubbles. To complete your perfect mojito, add a final flourish. Garnish the rim of your glass with a fresh lime wedge and tuck in a vibrant sprig of mint for an extra aromatic touch. Serve your beautifully crafted drink immediately with a straw. This classic, soda-based mojito is a wonderfully refreshing beverage, perfect for sharing with friends or enjoying on a warm afternoon. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.